In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Oculus Quest 2 to Stream VR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Oculus Quest 2 to a PC, which allows you to stream your gameplay in VR, meaning that you will be able to capture whatever it is that you are seeing on the Quest 2, send it as a source to OBS or Streamlabs, and you will be able to stream it. So in order to cast whatever it is that you have playing on your Oculus to a PC, you need to visit a specific website, oculus.com/casting. As the link suggests, in this website, you will be able to cast whatever is on the Oculus Quest 2's screen over to your PC. And by doing this, you can use software like OBS or Streamlabs to stream whatever appears on this web browser page. So as you can see, according to the instructions, you press the Meta button on your controller. So find the Meta button and press it. Go to camera after the universal menu appears, choose cast option and select this computer. Both devices need to be on the same Wi-Fi network, so keep that in mind. If both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network, then you will be able to get this done. When you choose cast and select this computer, there's going to be your camera appearing on this window, so whatever you see on the headset will appear right here on this web browser. Now you can open any sort of live stream software such as OBS, choose the option to add a new source, and what I recommend is that you add a window capture. And with this done, you will be able to capture this screen. So essentially this web browser page that has the Oculus thing that you want to do. And whenever you choose this option, you will be able to configure it in the live stream and everything will appear on your preferred live stream service of choice, so YouTube, Twitch, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Oculus Quest 2 to Stream VR. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.